Well, what can we say that has not been said already about the Reggae Boyz nil-all draw with Cuba? Disappointing result, but fairly good performance based on how the team controlled the game and passed around the football. But again though, the finishing was awful. And if Jamaica continues to dominate possession, create and miss chances like we did against Cuba, we can kiss World Cup qualification goodbye. Suspect though that this game will go down as one of those games where the team did everything or most things right except scoring. If Jamaica plays Cuba today or tomorrow or next week, Cuba get 4 and 5 and 6 love. The real worry will come when we play Honduras tomorrow and the next game after that and the next game after that. Now, if we continue to dominate possession and cannot score, in other words, if the trend continues and we create chance and miss, if that happens, then trouble could potentially be there. It's not there yet, but trouble. Deh Deh. Don't